Hello everyone. In this video, you will see how you can make the payments of your invoices through RioCredit. For this, you need to tap on Payments at the bottom of the app's home screen. Now, you can see the list of distributors. Now, tap on the distributor you want to pay to. You will see the list of outstanding invoices for the selected distributor. You can select the invoice which you want to pay and then tap on Proceed. Tap on RioCredit to pay selected invoices using RioCredit. Then select Repayment Period and pay credit charges only for that period. For example, we select Repay in 15 days here to avail 15 days free credit offer. You can choose the repayment period as per your requirement. The credit will be due in 45 days. But if you wish to save charges on credit, then you can select the repayment period of less than 45 days. Then tap on the Proceed button to pay and accept. After accepting, you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number that you will verify and your payment will be successful. So, in this way, you can easily make payments for your invoices through RioCredit. Thanks for watching.